3ds helps connect people and places. All people, all places. We want to turn 3D tours into revenue machines. When we started envisioning the different things we could do, we realized that there are endless possibilities. Every industry needs different solutions to maximize their value over Matterport Digital Twin. Let's take store managers. They love how their store was captured, but now they were looking to sell products inside of the virtual tour. As we are talking about added value and generating revenue, we've developed the option to collect leads inside of the space. For example, Skoda Auto, we've created an actual showroom which you can explore, you can get into the cars, you can see content, and you can book a direct appointment with an agent. It's a funny story, but I know about a store and the showroom that changed position inside the physical space after watching our heat map and the analytical insights that we provide. The amount of minutes that people are using our live video chat to create value and to connect inside a virtual tour is more than 70,000 minutes per month. It is amazing to know that more than 100 million people are watching your spaces over a monthly basis. As a CEO, I got to talk with passionate photographers, business directors, entrepreneurs, all of them passionate about what the 3D tour can bring to the world. It's just the beginning.